Hello friends, welcome to my channel Basic Japanese Language. This video for those people who are learning for JLPT N5 and N4 exam. Let's start today's class. Today we are going to learn about numbers. Okay? Ichi, ni, san, si or yon, go, roku, nana और सिची, हाची, क्यू और कु, जी, इची, नी, सान, सी और योन, गो, रोको, नाना और सिची, हाची, क्यू और कु, जू. ओके, से इची, नी, सान, सी और योन, गो, रोकू, सिची और नाना, हाची, क्यू, जू. Okay? When it comes to 11, how will say 10 plus 1, so ju, zuichi. Okay? 12, zu, ni. 13, zu-san. Okay? 14, Juyon. Okay? Like this. 19, Jukyu. Okay? So it is easy to learn the numbers in Japanese language. Once you know up to 10, up to 100, it will be easy. So when it is 19 comes Jukyu, when it comes 20, how we formal? 2 into 10, so ni, zu, ni-zu. Okay? Again, 21, Mizuichi, 22, Mizuni, 23, 20 plus 3, so Mizu-san. Up to like this 29, Mizu, Q. Okay? Then comes 30. Similarly, Niju, Sanzu. Okay? So like this, up to 99, you can make it. 90 will come Kyuju. Okay? 91, Kyuju-ichi. Like this, 99, Kyu, Ju, Q. Get it? Then we learn Hyaku. Nihongo. San Sanbyaku. Yonhyaku. Gohyaku. Ropyaku. Nanahyaku. Hapyaku. Kyuhyaku. Then comes sen. Okay? Hyaku, nihyaku, sanbyaku. Yonhyaku, gohyaku, ropyaku. Nanahyaku, hapyaku. Kyuhyaku. Okay? Then comes sen. Misen. Sanjen. Yonsen. Gosen. Rokusen. Nanasen. Hassen. Kyusen. Okay? Sen, Nisen, Sanjen, Yonsen, Gosen, Rokusen, Nanasen, Hassen, Kyusen. Okay? Then comes Ichiman. Then Juman. Okay, like these numbers are there, and you can get these materials from signlanguage.com also. Okay, you go to page.com and download materials from there. Okay, so today we learn numbers. Okay, today's class is this much. Thank you for watching my video. Sayonara.